Alright, here we go, showing you the problems with this weld head. Alright, if you can see right there, the tungsten is dragging, basically dragging the pipe right there. Alright, let me go backwards with this thing. That's on the top. I'm not doing anything, I'm not feeding wire, I'm not retracting wire, I'm just driving it around to the side so I can show you that it's out of alignment. The head is out of alignment. Now look how far off the pipe. Look how far off the pipe the wire is now. It's hanging out midair. When you're trying to weld and you lay the wire in there on the top, and then you get over here, the wire's flying out midair and it melts and drips and balls up. That doesn't fly. So something's amiss. The whole torch is moving away from the head, from the pipe on this side. Alright, now I'll show you whatever. Here's what else it is. I put a smaller cup and gas lens on here so I can get a more shallow angle, but it's still not the best situation. There again you can see the tungsten dragging, you can see the wire dragging the pipe, which it will not do on that left side. It pulls it, just the tungsten pulls away, the torch pulls away, the wire pulls away. The problem we got is this bracket here that holds the wire assembly. It's not down enough. That thing needs to be a longer bracket to bring the entire, or it needs to be even adjustable so you can bring the entire wire feed assembly down. And when you can do that, you can flatten out the angle on your wire feed angle coming in. I've put a couple nuts in there as spacers, but you can't do it anymore because what it does is all you're doing, you're not really dropping the wire, you're raising the torch. So I can't do it anymore with that. The other thing that's a problem with this head is this here. The torch will wiggle. See this when I move this? The bushing and or shaft inside of here, and this side of this assembly is worn out. So that allows the torch. That's such a big deal, but it needs to be corrected. I need a bushing and a shaft for this head. But the biggest thing is this thing not tracking. I mean, the tungsten rising and falling as it goes around cannot work, because if it does do that, you have to babysit it the entire way around, and you can't have somebody having to babysit this wire all the way around. You should be able to push the button and let it go. You see it's dragging, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. There, it's starting to pull off right there. And pulling off at the bottom is the worst possible place for that wire to pull off because it's floating through midair. But anyhow, see if you can figure out what's causing this and a remedy. Y'all can probably have a block made to bring that wire assembly down. Look how far away that wire is from the pipe. I mean, that's a good 1/16 probably. Anyhow, take a look.